How to fix unable to initiate call. Please try again on WhatsApp. If you're having this issue on your WhatsApp application, then this video is for you. To solve it, first of all, launch settings on your device. From here, go through the general and tap on date and time and make sure that set automatically is turned on. Once you do that, you are good to go. Once you do that, scroll down and hit on shutdown and shut down your device for at least 1 minute and again restart it. If your problem is still not solved, then go through the iPhone storage under general. Here search for WhatsApp. There you will see two options. Among them, choose offload app and hit on offload app, and then you are good to go. Once you do all of this, your issue will be solved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.